tayo napapanood na tumatalon sa matataas na buildings, nagko-crawl kung saan-saan, at tumatambling sa maliliit na space. Pero alam niyo ba guys na ang training ng parkour ay isang normal exercise lang. Panoorin niyo ako. Tumatalon. Gumugulong. At nagpapasirko-sirko. Sa unang tingin, parang mga miyembro sila ng Akyat Bahay Gang. Pero don't worry mga kapuso, walang illegal sa kanilang sport. Sila ang mga acrobat ng Parkour Philippines.
When, people see us train in the parks, iniisip nila para kami mga akyat bahay, mga kiti-kiti. We're just trying to live the movement.
2004 nagsimula ang Parkour Philippines. At para mapabilis ang kanilang paglago, kinontak nila ang dalawang parkour experts mula France. Ang directors ng grupong Parkour Generations na sina Stefan Vigru at Dan Edwards.
Training with people how to train parkour safely, what to do, how to do it, and explain a little bit more about what parkour is because it's pretty new here in the Philippines.
Si Stefan kasama sa first generation ng parkour practitioner na tinuruan ng parkour founder na si David Bell.
Parkour is a concept, it's an idea of training the body and mind to overcome obstacles, whether they're physical or just life obstacles. Parkour can be dangerous. There's some risks, and you better want to know how to train correctly, properly. Make sure you prepare and protect the body.
Kaya ang local practitioners na parkour talagang nakafocus sa bawat sabihin ng kanilang mentors.
And it means you go a bit wild. So push both feet together. Yep.
It is a really great privilege for us to train with Parkour Generations because this group, isa sa mga biggest organizations of parkour yan.
Siyempre, may training para sa beginners.
Sobra siyang challenging because continuous na movement. It's an efficiency of motion. It trains us to be more responsible with our moves and using momentum and being more efficient using our muscles.
At meron din pang mas advanced practitioners.
Marami kami natututunan na bago. Some of the drills, saka yung mga teachings nila, yun na rin yung tinuturo namin sa workshops namin. Pero at least na yun, meron kami new insight. Tsaka maganda sa parkour kasi, there's always something new to learn.
Ang pinagtutuunan ng pansin nila Dan at Stefan sa mga training na ganito, ang pagiging safe at pagpapalakas ng katawan.
So we encourage everyone to start at the basic, to invest a lot in doing the basic movements. Spend time low and slow in the ground. So don't go for too much heights because yung mga joints natin will only take up so much impact.
Kaya naman ang inyong lingkod, hindi nagpahuli at nakisali na din sa training ng parkour. At dahil beginner lang ako, basics lang muna ang susubukan ko.
So the first exercise na ituturo natin, yung quadrupedal movement.
Okay.
Or we call it QM. Para ka naglalakad na parang pusa lang.
Catwoman effect.
So, iba, left, right, left. Left, right, right, left.
Ang tamang pagtalon maging ang pagbagsak, importante raw sa parkour.
Bali dito ka maglaland, tawag dito balls. This is the balls of the feet. Huwag maglaland sa heels. Yeah, very nice, very nice.
At meron ding obstacle course training.
Tawag naman dito sa obstacle na to, we call this vaulting or tumatalon sa obstacle. Marami kasing klase na pagtalon dito eh. Pwede mong gawin yung, ano ba yung natural sa'yo?
Yung under na lang.
Pwede rin.
Ay, okay.
Pwede rin.
At ang huli, ang pag-akyat at pagbaba sa iba't ibang structures.
Pwede mong gamitin pantungkod. And then, you're up.
This is what we call my gulay stance.
Down to the wall. Nice. Nice.
Paano ko bababa?
Dito na. 2, 3, jump, up. Like up. Nice. So, push down. And then pag land mo, try to touch the floor lightly.
Grabe yung ano.
Nice. Very good.
Ganyan.
Turn around.
Ay!
Around.
Itsura sa... Nanginig na ako. Okay, kaya ko to.
Nice.
Wow! Sakit!
Okay.
Kakaiba
kakaiba siya. Actually, kakaibang experience. I'm sure sasakit yung buong katawan ko mamaya. Kasi parang body talaga yung workout yun eh.
Kung gusto nyo ng kakaiba at modern physical at mental training, check, swak sa inyo ang parkour. At sa tamang training at disiplina, di magtatagal, isa na rin kayo sa mga tinatawag nilang urban ninjas.